Number 4, look into possibilities for mobility. Yes, I'm Roman, and today I will give you some tips for moving abroad. Let's go. Number 1, have a scanned copy of all the important documents. Your birth paper, your immunization card, your qualifications, etc. Once document is important, you should not only have a physical copy but a virtual copy. And also, depending on the country that you're going to, you might need an official translation of these said documents. Number 2, have enough money to cover at least 3 months. Even if you're going abroad to work or to study and you have a scholarship or there's some sure means of money, at least ensure that you have 3 months of money. This sum of money is basically your backup that could come in handy before, after, and even during your trip. Number 3, do not pack all of your belongings. Once you're going abroad for an extended period of time, it is almost unavoidable, inevitable to buy new things. And I'm sure that when you're returning home, if you return home, you wouldn't want to have an excess of items. Number 4, look into possibilities for mobility, particularly if you're going to work or considering working in this country. For example, if you will be going to Japan as an ALT, there are limited opportunities for mobility. Equally, if you're here in France and you plan to teach English, there are also limited opportunities for mobility. So you might want to think about that. Some options would be getting the necessary qualifications or perhaps getting some sort of diploma or certificate. These things could come in handy, and of course, learn the language definitely makes a difference. Number 5, look into cost of living. Before you go to any new country, it is important to look into the cost of living. For example, before coming here to France, I had to first look at the city, the general cost of living in that city, and the pay that I would have received and make a comparison. This is also one of the reasons I moved to the north of France versus another part of France, for example. Number 6 and last, please do not compare countries and cultures. Once you go to a new country, you will find new things. Things will not be the same as in your home country. Things will not be the same as in other countries. So do not start comparing, because upon comparing, you could find that you put yourself in a very sad situation and you start complaining and you start making yourself unhappy. So just make life easy and appreciate the country for what it is. Alright, so with that said, that is all for my video for today. And if you'd like to know how I came here to France, please check out this video right here. I already gave a detailed explanation of that. And with that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.